What's up, everybody? We're back again at Milford Sound. We're gonna do a small little boat trip and do some hiking today. That's gonna be pretty neat. Totally different experience with the clouds today and the fog. So yeah, yesterday was nice and sunny, which was great. But today it's totally different weather. Apparently this is the places that it rains one of the places that it rains the most in the world. I think about 220 days of rain. So yesterday we got lucky.
So many bibits.
So many flies. Kind of wild today. This is the mini airport here. I guess these are where the tours are being done. We're on our way to the docks to go get a water taxi across the fjord, which is going to be pretty dope. At the visitor center, they have this little happy, good vibes only thing, which is pretty neat. There's some informational things. Somebody went to the bathroom, just waiting for them.
This is our view spot. Going on a hike. Today it's flat. We need to take a boat to get there. And this is the views on the way. It is stunning. Lots of bibitses. Lots of bibits. Moi je passe par le bord. Yeah, so this is the wetlands, I think. Very excited for this. It's fun to see without the big sun. Insane. A lot of flies here. So we're about to board to go across this thing here and hike. So this is a water taxi that we're getting into. And yeah, there's so many flies. It's very intense. Yo guys!
Yo!
How's it going?
On se fait manger par des mouches.
I know. And you know what he said? We're going to Sunfly Point.
Oh.
In the water taxi, ready to go. Just waiting for another group of two.
There's one
Our captain.
I'm sure there's.
Are you from New Zealand?
Yeah.
We made it to the other side. Now we're gonna walk the trail. It's called Milford Track. Apparently this goes for like 40 miles almost, so people do this as a backcountry expedition. We're just gonna walk a couple miles in and a couple miles out just to see the beauty of the Milford Sound and the fjords and everything else that comes here. Tropical forest with some moss and some palm trees. Pretty neat. Yeah.
We are in the jungle, live reporting from Milford Track. This is
the jungle apparently. Watch out for the leopard.
watch out your glasses.
So we made it to this clearance where you can see waterfalls here, waterfalls here, some more on this side, some here. Pretty dope, pretty dope. No rain so far, so that's nice. That's a nice little bonus. That's some waterfalls. Woohoo!
Yeah. Discovering the Milford Track with the bugs.
They're called sandflies.
I had a caterpillar on my jacket.
Apparently they're everywhere, but they're very delicious for the glowworms from what I learned. So we're still hiking. We're getting closer and closer to the waterfall because we can hear it. So we're gonna probably stop, eat some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, enjoy the views. I guess when there's enough rain, it gets filled with water, because we were told that apparently when it rains enough, there's waterfalls that create just for a couple of hours or even a couple of days, and they disappear once there's no longer rain to make them. So that's pretty neat. Yesterday was a bright sunny day. Today the rain's coming in, so we might see a bit more waterfalls, or at least some new ones. Still walking through this beautiful lush, I don't know if it's a rainforest, but it really looks like a rainforest. It reminds me a lot of the Costa Rican rainforest, but it's magnificent with the ocean on one side. Great. Almost there, almost there. We're almost there, but the scenery, once again, beautiful. We made it to the dock. It's raining. We just gotta wait for the boat to come back. The waterfalls look to be fuller. There's this one. There's this one right here. There's one right there. Pretty neat. So yeah, we just gotta wait for the boat ride. Back on the boat, ready for departure. It's raining. It's raining quite a bit, so very glad to be on a covered boat and not on an open one.
Your nose
I got sunburn.
broken.
And I got bit by a sandfly. Freaking great. The guy who lifted us in a boat, amazing. Veteran, 22 country visited for training with the army. He rode the shit out of the boat. Hilarious. It's raining. Fog
And he said
came
that
in.
was not even rain.
Fog
said that-
coming in. Slowly losing visibility. Check this out. With the fog and rain. Some people are very excited here. It's pretty crazy. After the rain, all the waterfalls just came out. There's also a lot of fog, but that adds to the beauty of it. There's waterfalls here, here, all these ones over there, and this waterfall.